Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Now I'm going to show you how to use proper, lower and upper function in Microsoft Excel. As all three are related to text, so we'll learn these all together. As you can see, we have full name, city and then country. If you see the text format, first name is properly written, but last name is written in uppercase or in capital letters, and all these have different issues. So we want all these in a proper way. First letter in capital and then normal, like lowercase. So we'll write here our formula, which is equals to, and then proper, and then tab. We'll select our text cell and then enter. You can see the proper format. And the lower formula will make your text in lowercase, which are not in capital. So let's say we want our city in lowercase. We'll write our formula here, which is equals to LOWER, lower, then tab, and we will select our city and then enter. You can see the difference. And then now we want our country to be in uppercase, which means capital. We will write our formula here, upper, then tab. We will select our country and then enter. You can see all these amazing formulas. So we will drag these. So copying has affected our formatting. So we will press here in the bottom and then fill without formatting, which means we don't want our formatting to be changed. Fill without formatting. And here you go. You can see your data is nicely organized. First letter in capital, all are fine here, and all are in lowercase here, and uppercase in the last. I hope you have learned all these formulas. Please hit like if you have learned it. Comment down if you have any queries or comments. Share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.